Yachty. I'm a bastard bloke, we got tropical pineapple, chocolate, blood up to evil bastards, a jackalope. You want a half a coat with a cast of boat? Yeah, I got chronic, I want half the toe. Go ahead, rookie, call your plastic foe. Chase the habits fast for you, grab a smoke, confess, no choke. More like all she wrote. Drop the beat, pause a note. Jasper's here, well that's awesome, dope. Only here to tell you that it's all a hoax. Unlike Mach 1, lots of guns, so lots of fun. Probably at a strip club, not spending a one. Wanna play a game? Well, this is how it's done. Creativity is our only freedom. We can't dream schemes if we can't even peep them. 2013 and catch me on the weekends. Looking for something to see my teeth in. Need to eat the flesh. Cannibalistic priest, a easy mess. Your beat stay fresh. I'm from Little Rock where the river divides. Loyalty seems so hard to come by. Conspirators coincide, another guy decides on homicide. Keeps get high on both sides, I lift my head inside. Reconsider my design. Shots of liquor provide a way to find lies. From in between glass and cat eyes, thighs, I despise you guys. I got a repetitive set of fists that'll settle this. Setting my hands on a sedative, man, it's like a sedative. Ready, bitch, negative. You know that I'm better, kid. Taste my pancakes, they're too delicious. I got a jackal inside my brain. It makes me laugh when it calls you names. I think it's all fake. I think it's all vaccines. I think it all ain't. It's just a bad dream. It's just a bad dream. It's just a bad dream.
Pickup made an abrupt lane change, not using its blinker, failed to signal. I'm gonna get them stopped as soon as I get around this car. It's also doing 89, 91. 87, 90. 97. Driver's not wearing a seatbelt. B20 Newport 1024. Stopping Adam Mary Robert 23 Nor AMR 23N. We're at the 51 southbound. We're trying to get them pull over.
B20, did they pull over?
Not yet. We're in traffic. They're stand by. he hadn't pulled over. We'll call 1037 speeds, 89, 90. Reason for the stop, improper lane change, speeding, and no seatbelt.
10-4, you got 51 southbound.
10-4, still continuing south.
4.
3 small traffic.
10-4.
CMS received.
I have another White County unit close to him.
23 is direct, 1019. 21, 10 traffic. 26 is direct, 44 southbound.
10-4.
We're passing the 48 speeds at 90 still.
10-4, let me locate hard cover.
26, we're passing the on-ramp right now.
10-4, I'm at the 44 southbound ramp. Be mindful of the 1043 at the same location.
10-4 is medium traffic right now.
It doesn't have time to stop. We'll get ready to get in the truck. Give the TVI.
B-Twin Newport, I think we're about to get off on the 46. He's slowed down. We're about 75 right now. Come on, temp TVI on the on-ramp.
Copy, 51, take your check. 10-4, you got TVI on the on-ramp. Copy.
Unsuccessful. Gonna try again.
Copy, 2570. Copy.
He's going on the curve on Ray Street.
10-4.
TVI, TVI, TVI. Hands!
10-4.
Newport, he's back on the road, Gonna try again. He's bound on race. TVI, 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 TVI.
10-4, 10-4.
Stop! 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 He's still trying to go. Stop! Hands! Hands right now! Hands! Hands right now! Get on the ground! Give me another unit. Get on the ground! Get on the ground right now! Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Get out of the vehicle! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! B-Twin Newport, he's not obeying commands. We're right here on Ray Street. Hands! Right now! Hands! B-Twin Newport, go ahead and get a 1016. Hey, I'll get an ambulance, but go ahead and step out. What's going on?
Mother's dying, mother.
Okay, get out of the vehicle right now.
Goddamn, man.
Okay.
I need her to the emergency
I got an
now.
ambulance on
You're
the way.
stopping me from
Stop
getting where
it.
I want to go.
Stop it.
Fuck you. God damn, it's my mother.
Get out of the vehicle,
Son
sir.
of a pit, fuck you, man. I need
Get out
you
of
in
the
the
vehicle.
emergency room.
I got an ambulance coming.
Fuck down.
I got an ambulance coming.
Put her in your car and take her right there.
I got an
She's
ambulance
dying.
coming. You know how many people you put in danger when you could have called an ambulance? Step out, sir.
No.
Step out, sir.
No. I'm with my mother.
Step out, okay? I got an ambulance on the
fucking
way.
shoot
Why
me,
is she dying? Do what?
Goddamn, you can shoot me. I ain't leaving my mom.
What's going on with her?
My mom's dying.
How is she dying? How is she dying?
How's she dying? She's
Yes.
86 years old.
Okay, what's going on that's causing her to
It's a
die?
heart. She was here yesterday. She's home for one night. She collapsed in the bathroom. Grab her up.
Okay. You should have called an ambulance. I got an ambulance on the way. Go ahead and step out, sir, okay? I got an ambulance on the way.
Sir? Is your mother still living?
Go ahead and
Sir,
step
is your
out.
mother still living?
Step out, sir.
Is your mother still living?
Here's the thing. I'm telling
Here's
you,
the
step
thing.
out.
Is your mother still living? 'Cause I'm
That's
not leaving mine
regardless.
right now.
Okay, here's the thing.
I'm not
I understand that. But right now you created a whole nother different situation. Okay, no. Here's the thing. You gonna step out with...
I ain't leaving my mom. I need an ambulance here
Hey,
now.
hey, his mom needs medical attention. He says she's dying, but sir, you gotta step out.
I ain't getting away from my mom.
Cody.
Open it. It's open. It's open. It's open. That's horrible, man. Just want my mom in the emergency.
Hey, here's the thing.
That's all I want. My mom.
Hey, here's the thing, sir. You could have stopped on the side freeway. We could have got an ambulance to avoided this whole situation. But you put too many people at danger, okay? Sir, go ahead and step out.
Y'all got this on the traffic.
Yeah.
You're all right. You're all right. All right. We're gonna go ahead and get the ambulance.
I already called one. Did they not call one?
2020 Purdue, get the ambulance over to our location. We're at Race Street right in front of the hospital.
Your traffic wasn't coming through. Brother, you need to step out.
I ain't leaving my mom.
She's okay.
I'm not leaving my mom.
I understand.
She's okay.
And step out though.
Go ahead, 3.
Get down.
I know y'all are making sure she gets emergency help. Y'all do that. Y'all also detain him.
Yeah.
Yeah, 10-4. We're going to. V3, we're going to let him stay with his mother until the ambulance gets here. So that way he's okay.
You know, they got
Yeah, ambulance is fine. 10-4.
They ready.
B20, B3.
Go ahead.
There is damage to my unit.
Right in front of the hospital, they ready.
Well, we'll charge you.
I'm laying here. I'm fucking 200 foot from the goddamn hospital.
Sir? Mr. Harmon. Is that your name?
I don't give a fuck what I've done in my
Hey.
life, but
He is. Nah. Well, I'll get a search warrant if he's not going to cooperate.
Jason, take him out of the car.
Hey, come on.
take me out of the car.
Hey.
You're goddamn right. I won't leave
Get
my
out of the
mom.
car.
Why you gonna
Right.
shoot me?
I will tase you.
Fucking do what
I will tase you.
God, motherfucker. Get out of the car. Look at that.
Get on your stomach right now. I'm going to tase you again.
Hands out. Hands out. Hands out.
The ambulance is coming.
What do you think? I got a gun.
Behind your back.
Look.
Stop resisting.
B26, but you're not translating.
We're putting up 10-15.
10-4.
We're good, Sam.
Suit him up.
You're under arrest. Back up! Alright, we're going to lift you up.
He's been drinking. I smell alcohol.
I know.
She's laying in the truck dying, Michelle. She's lying in here, but she's dying.
Here, come here. Come this way.
We're doing 15.
Hey, You want to let her get to her mom?
10-4.
That's fine.
No, the ambulance is coming. She has it.
How much you have to drink? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to speak to an attorney, have an attorney present during any questioning. If you cannot afford one, we'll be provided for you at government expense.
Negative, trying to make contact with
Here, back here. Come on. You start. Back up. Hey, it's a badass. The man's in handcuffs. He's a badass, ain't he? Bad motherfucker. Have a seat. Yeah, no problem. You want back in there or what? No.
I understand that. We got an
Ma'am.
coming, okay?
the hospital. He was almost there with her.
He's also under the influence of alcohol. He should have pulled over.
Listen, he was getting here.
All right.
ASAP.
Stop the camera, start it back over.
Thank you.
Negative, trying to make contact with
Here, back here. Come on. You start. Back up. Hey, it's a badass. The man's in handcuffs. He's a badass, ain't he? Bad motherfucker. Have a seat. Yeah, no problem. You want back in there or what? No.
I understand that. We got an
Ma'am.
coming, okay?
the hospital. He was almost there with her.
He's also under the influence of alcohol. He should have pulled